Hey y'all, this is Jess. I just wanted to do the before I get started on this new project that I have going on. I got it kind of laid out the way that I want right now. So this is going to be the before. I'm obviously going to be taking this grass up. I'm taking this down and moving it over, and then I'm going to put another one down there. And then I'm going to line it all the way around, put these kind of in the ground a little bit, and then fill it in with fresh cedar. So yeah, this is my backyard raised beds. My garden still going strong. Made it through the whole winter with those collards, I tell you what, and all my herbs made it. So stay tuned. 'Cause I'm your even though they may